Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and today I'm back for our savings update. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to update all of my progress that I've made on my savings in February, and then I'm going to go in and fill in some of my savings trackers with my Sharpie accent highlighters. So if you enjoy seeing videos about how to design a life that you love, look at that, y'all, already a mess. Please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you all in just a little bit. Bye-bye. Alright, so I have two major goals for 2021 for savings, and that is to save $2,000 in my emergency savings to go on top of what I've already have saved there, and to save a total of $6,000 for my house savings. So let's see what we have for for February for emergency savings. In January, as you can see, let me go a little bit further so that you can actually see. I mean, even though my handwriting is atrocious, at least you can see it. Okay. We saved $141.06 in January. That was 7% of our goal. And now we are getting to February, and let's see how much we put into our account in February. So in February, we put in 167. We've already got that listed. We put in $2 more, and then we put in $4 more. So that's a total of 169, 70, 83, or 173 total. And that brings us to, I'll have to make a new line now. Oh, I shouldn't have drawn that there. Who knows how much I'll save sometimes. Let's add the 141. Got my little calculator here. Oh, you won't be able to see it in any of them. Let's add 141 plus 173. So that gives us a total of $314.06. So that's how much we've earned so far. And then 314. Let's find out what the percentage of that is. All right, so that is 15.703%. So we're making some headway there, not a lot, but we're getting there. Now we have for our house savings, because I'm saving on a down payment to buy a house. Let's see what that one looks like. So we have February, and we had how much going in February? We had 313. We had 419. Oops. 419. We had 326. And then we had $3. And then we had $14. All right, let's see what that equals. Let's add all that up. 313 plus 419 plus 326 plus $3 plus 14. So that gives us $1,075. And then let's see what percent we are at to our savings. Goal of 6. We are now at, oh, I was like, what happened? I need to add these two together. All right, let's add our two totals together. Okay, so 1713.52 plus $1,075 is $2,788.52. And that puts us at 46, there we go, 46.475. And we'll go ahead and round up that 475 to 4. 46 and Or should we'll just leave it at 46%. There we go. So 46%, we're almost halfway there. So that's exciting. Hopefully by the end of March, we will be over the halfway mark. And then who knows, maybe we'll hit our $10,000 goal by the middle of the year. All right, so let's go ahead and fill in now our savings trackers. Now these use different numbers. These have, I changed them. Did I change both of them? Not the emergency savings, but I changed the house savings to match up correctly. So let's fill those in. And we're using the orange, so I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to use the coral. Now these are, as they like to say, the juicy ones. And I don't even remember what my totals were. The totals I'm filling up to, because I'm just filling up through, oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. So we're filling up through, oh, I have to look up the emergency total. But we're filling up to, and I didn't even write that one on there for the house savings because I don't have that space left. Here, I'll put that up there. That's going to be messy, 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 huh? I can write this down somewhere else. I'll write down the total somewhere else. All right, so our total was $2,788.52 for the house savings. And then let's see where we are for our emergency savings. And I want to get that emergency savings only going up through, oh, okay, great. So we'll be filling up to the 6-8. I'm not quite 6831. We'll be filling up to here to the 6-4. So we get to fill up 2 sections. Ooh, gotta make sure I have the right one. All right, here we go. I kind of like that I'm filming this because it can be hard for me to remember to come in and fill in the trackers. It's just not something I really do. Oh, I forgot on the debt one to update my debt tracker. I'll do that later. Look at that though, y'all. We're getting there. We're getting there. That's exciting. And then we have that 2788. So, oh, I have the total I wanted to save. So, let's see where we are again. For the house one, we're going to fill up to the 6. Okay, we'll fill up these 2. So that's exciting. We don't have much further to go, like I was saying. Oopsie. These are the juicy ones, remember? So they leak. Ooh, this is just going to be a big streak of leak. Okay, there we go. All right, 4 more left to go in the house, and then a few more left to go in emergency savings. But this one is really just that 167, I think, per month. So I think we're just right on track. So this is exciting. I will probably need to update my savings halfway through the year just to add some more, just to do some more goals. And that's it. Thanks for watching, y'all. And I hope you have a really great day. Let me know how your tracking is going and let me know how your savings updates are going. Have a great one. Bye.